Welcome back to the Auto Crafters. We have something really special, the return of an icon. This is the 2025 Subaru Brat, a modern reimagining of the classic small pickup that stole the hearts of adventure lovers back in the 70s and 80s. Subaru has taken the legendary Brat nameplate and packed it with cutting-edge technology, rugged performance, and that signature all-wheel drive capability. Up front, you get Subaru's signature hexagonal grille with a rugged blacked-out finish, flanked by sleek LED headlights. These aren't just stylish, they also provide excellent visibility in harsh conditions. And check out this sculpted hood, it adds to that bold presence. Moving to the side, the Brat keeps things functional. We've got high ground clearance, flared wheel arches, and chunky all-terrain tires, perfect for those weekend off-road adventures. Roof rails come standard, giving you the flexibility to mount extra gear whether it's a kayak, bikes, or a cargo box. Stepping inside, the Brat's cabin is a huge step up from its predecessors. Subaru has focused on making this a comfortable and tech-forward space. Right away, you notice the premium materials, soft touch surfaces, contrast stitching, and a layout that feels driver-focused. At the center of it all is this massive 11.6-inch touchscreen infotainment system. It runs Subaru's latest Starlink system, offering wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It's fast, responsive, and super intuitive to use. Below it, you'll find physical climate controls, which I really appreciate because sometimes, touchscreens can be a hassle while driving under the hood. The 2025 Brat comes with two powertrain options. The standard model is powered by a 2.4-liter turbocharged boxer engine, producing around 260 horsepower and 277 lb-ft of torque. That's plenty of power for a truck of this size. But here's where things get interesting. Subaru is also offering a hybrid variant. This model pairs a 2.0-liter engine with an electric motor, delivering better fuel economy while still packing enough punch for light off-roading and daily driving. Subaru's hybrid system is designed for efficiency, making it perfect for eco-conscious drivers who still want an adventure-ready vehicle. So, what's the verdict? The 2025 Subaru Brat is a unique blend of nostalgia, modern technology, and rugged capability. It's perfect for adventure seekers, outdoor enthusiasts, and even city dwellers who want something versatile and fun to drive. It's not trying to compete with full-size trucks, it's carving its own niche as a compact, lifestyle-focused pickup. With solid fuel efficiency, advanced safety features, and Subaru's legendary all-wheel drive, it's a strong contender in the adventure vehicle market. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more in-depth reviews, car comparisons, and everything automotive. Let me know in the comments what you think about the 2025 Subaru Brat. Is it your next adventure vehicle? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, drive safe, stay adventurous, and I'll see you in the next video.